Hey, I'm Charlie, I'm a Pilates teacher, and yeah, I like to think that I know a thing or two about good mats. So I've been using the Complete Unity yoga mat for the last couple of months now, and I have to say it is absolutely incredible. I feel like most mats are really thin, so when you're kind of doing anything down on your elbows, down on your knees, it's often really uncomfortable. Whereas with this mat, it has so much padding and so much support, so when you're down on your elbows and down on your knees, for once it actually feels comfortable, which I find with most mats, that is not a thing. You often have to get 2 or 3 mats or put a towel underneath you just so you feel that kind of comfort and support. Whereas with this mat, you don't need any of that. So yeah, really recommend checking out Complete Unity Yoga's mat range. They have some beautiful colors, beautiful designs. They also have some incredible yoga accessories on their website.